Bollywood singer Kanika Kapoor has now approached the King George Medical University offering to donate her plasma for treatment of other COVID-19 patients. The singer called up Head of Transfusion Medicine Department, Professor Tulika Chandra, and volunteered to help. She called me up and said she really wanted to help other COVID-19 patients. Vice Chancellor Professor MLB Bhatt has given a go-ahead on it, and we will now be carrying out the test on her to see if she is fit to donate her plasma, said Professor Chandra. As per experts, Kanika's sample will be tested for a number of things before she can donate her plasma. These include her hemoglobin level that should be above 12.5, weight should be more than 50 kg, and the patient should not have diabetes, cardiovascular issues, malaria, syphilis, and other such ailments. Kanika's sample will probably be taken on Tuesday, and if found to be eligible, she will be donating her plasma on Wednesday. Kanika Kapoor had grabbed headlines last month when she became the first Bollywood celebrity to test positive for coronavirus. Kanika had attended 2 parties in Lucknow in the presence of top politicians and bureaucrats, and all of them were later tested for corona. Kanika was hospitalized for over a fortnight at the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences. She had on April 26th come out with a statement clarifying her travel and COVID-19 history, declaring that she was aware of misconceptions and wrong information floating around her, but she chose to remain silent until ready to speak. Kanika in her social media post had said that all persons she came in contact with in the UK, Mumbai and Lucknow had been tested negative, and that she had duly followed the process.